Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's discuss how we can solve the questions based on trigonometric ratios. In this question, they have given you a right angle at C and a ratio sin A is given to you, and they are expecting you to find all the other remaining ratios. So how can we find the remaining ratios? Before start the video, if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel so that you will get the notification as soon as the video is uploaded. Now, they have stored that it is right angle at C. Okay, so let other sides be A and B. They have told you that sine A is equals to root 3 by 2. And we know that what is sine? Sine is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay. And what is perpendicular and what is hypotenuse? It is depending upon the angle. So with reference to angle A, what is perpendicular? Side opposite to angle A is known as your perpendicular. And side adjacent to this angle is known as base. And side opposite to C is known as hypotenuse. Because side opposite to 90 degree is known as hypotenuse. So we are clear now what is perpendicular, what is base, and what is hypotenuse. So sine A is equals to sine A. It is equals to BC perpendicular upon hypotenuse. It is divided by AB. Okay. And what is BC? It is given to you. What is sine A? It is equals to root 3 by 2. So from this ratio, you will have sine A is equals to BC divided by AB equals to root 3 by 2. So BC is your root 3 and AB is your 2. Now we have to find the AC. How we will find the AC? By using Pythagoras theorem. So by using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, it is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. What is your hypotenuse? It is equals to AB whole square, which is equals to perpendicular square, which is your BC square, plus base square. What is your base? AC square. So what is your AB square? It is 2 whole square. It is equals to BC square. What is BC? Root 3 by A whole square plus AC square. It is equals to 4 is equals to 3 plus AC square. You will get 4 minus 3. It is equals to AC square. So what is your AC square? Your AC square is equals to 1. So AC is equals to 1. Now you will get the third side as 1. Now you are having all the three sides of the triangle. What are these? This is your triangle. This is angle A, B, angle C, and this is B. AB is given to you 2. This is root 3 and this is 1. You have already find it out. Now, what we have to do? We have to find remaining angles. So, sine A we have already given to you root 3 by 2. Now, what is cos A? Cos A is equals to base upon hypotenuse. What is base? AC divided by AB, which is equals to 1 by 2. What is your tan A? Tan A is equals to, it is equals to perpendicular upon base. So what is perpendicular? It is BC divided by AC. It is equals to root 3. What is your cosec A? Cosec A is equals to 1 by sine A, which is equals to 2 by root 3. Similarly, what is cosec A? Cosec A we have already find it out as 2 by root 3. Now sec A, it is equals to 1 by cos A, which is equals to 2. And what is cot A? Cot A is equals to 1 by tan A, which is equals to 1 by root 3. In this way, we have already find out the remaining ratios. If you are having any doubt or any query, please write in the comment box. If you like the video, please like and share the video. Thank you so much.